Discover what happens when Venus and Mars align in the galaxy of love. Will the stars trace out a roadmap for soulmates, or just a fleeting cosmic affair? When Venus conjuncts Mars in a Synastry chart, it's like a universal force field of attraction takes charge, pulling two hearts together with the promise of a passionate rendezvous. This is the astrology phenomenon that makes you stop and wonder, can the stars really ignite love at first sight? The thrilling Venus-Mars conjunction is not just any celestial event, it spells a love story bursting with excitement and desire. The passion unfolding between two individuals is palpable, as if every cell in their bodies speaks the language of romance, fluent and without pause. The connection can be so intense it defies reason, and you feel you've been caught in destiny's own embrace. When the Venus person and the Mars person lock eyes, it's game over, the attraction is instant and all-consuming. The former exudes an effortless allure, while the latter radiates confidence that's simply magnetic. They're like puzzle pieces that knew they were meant to fit together even before they touched. It's a connection carved out of the stars themselves, a dance of femininity and masculinity in perfect harmony. In this cosmic matchup, every meeting is electric, every touch is explosive, and even arguments are ablaze with fervor. The Venus-Mars duo is here to remind you that love can be a wild, fiery quest, not just hearts and flowers, but also a journey of mutual conquest. Can their remarkable magnetism stand the test of time, or will they dissolve into a beautiful, blazing memory? Strap in, if you're expecting a stable, soothing love story, this is not your chapter in the astrology textbook. Venus conjunct Mars in Synastry writes its own rules, full of highs and lows, desire and drama. This aspect doesn't guarantee a forever love, but it does scream a fierce bond that will either forge an unbreakable connection or leave a mark that will linger long after the stars have shifted. What begins as a serendipitous encounter could either spiral into a passionate romance that burns with an unyielding flame or sizzle out, leaving behind embers of what once was. Venus and Mars are playing a high-stakes game of love and desire, where every move is spellbinding. Don't underestimate the power of planetary influence on matters of the heart. The Venus person is a beacon of affection and allure, while the Mars person is the epitome of assertiveness and action. Together, they form a duo that could move mountains, or at the very least, move hearts. In the dance between these celestial bodies, passion is the music that keeps them entwined. They are submerged in a sea of intoxicating allure that whispers promises of a love that's both tempestuous and tender. The undeniable pull between them is like gravity, it's not just a feeling, it's a force of nature. But let us not forget the edge that comes with such intense connections. With passion can come conflict, with desire, the risk of dominance and power plays. How will Venus and Mars navigate these celestial currents? On an ethereal sky stage, Venus and Mars perform an enthralling tango, one that will either end in a harmonious chord or a dramatic crescendo. It's a cosmic game of push and pull, give and take, a symphony composed by the universe itself. And as we reach the end of this astrological exploration, we find that Venus conjunct Mars in Synastry is a reminder that love, like the stars, is both beautiful and complex. If this journey through the heavens has captured your imagination, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the mystical realm of love under the stars.